Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video for you and I have got Roccabox and this is a February box. So Roccabox is a UK only subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 postage and packaging. Inside you will receive between 5 to 7 beauty items and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care and lots more as well. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. They also come out with limited edition boxes now and again, and they've also got £10 mystery boxes. Now I've just bought one. If you're interested in seeing what was inside it, I will show you at the end of this video, but I got it through a voucher, so I got it for £8.50. I'll talk a little bit more about it after I've unboxed this. If you were to take out a subscription, they will take the money straight away. Your box will be sent to you within a couple of days, but then moving forward your money will be taken out on the 1st of every month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I can find any discount codes, money off codes, anything like that, I'll pop it down below in the description. So underneath this video, so you show more, click that and all details and links and everything will be listed down there. So yeah, so let's get on to it, open it up and see what I got in February's box. Oh, ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, give me a sneak peek first. What's that? A cap. Right, so that's what it looks like inside. We always get a little card and it tells you everything about the products, plus it gives you the price, so I'm able to tot it all up to give you a final value at the end. Roccabox's February box is full of juicy hydrating goodies, so yeah. So the first item I'm down to open up is this. It just says cap. So this is Sugar Bear Hair and it's a shower cap. Yeah, it's the packaging. So you've got a shower cap. It just looks like a blow up rubber ring. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at that, look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool. And inside it's just really soft toweling. I hate putting these things on. See? Oh, I hate putting these things on, but they are really handy. I think the best thing to do, isn't it, is to is to maybe put your hair in a ponytail first. Put your hair in a ponytail first so that all little bits and pieces can be tucked in easily. And then there you go. Oh, see, I've still got some hair hanging out. That is pretty cool. Oh, it says here it's a bonus treat, so it's an added extra. But if you were to buy it, it would cost you £15.34. Overwashing hair can dry out your scalp and make your body overproduce its own natural oils, leaving hair looking lank and greasy. So use this shower cap to keep those locks healthy, shiny and full of volume. My hair's all fluffy now. Never mind. So the next item is by the same brand as the shower cap, and this is Sugar Bear Hair Vitamins, and this is vegetarian gummies, food supplements, 60 pieces, contains biotin, folic acid and vitamin C. Ooh, can you see properly there? I know the ring light can be a pain when trying to show you things like this. It's a bit weird, isn't it? It's an adult supplement. You wouldn't give them to little kids, would you? You got them lying around in your house with kids. Sweets. Mum's got sweets. It's not sweets, no. Might make your hair grow extra long all of a sudden, but you know, it's not for kids, is it? It's not for kids. Saying that, they are super cute. Look. They're just little gummies. Oh my word, they smell just like apples. Apples, is it? 2 gummy vitamins a day, and then it's got information about what it contains. So I've got to be careful really, because I take vitamin D, B12, B6. Yeah, I take quite a few of the vitamins that are listed on here, so I have to be careful. But I am aware I haven't taken my biotin. I've got a biotin spray, so I'm just going to try it. They are so nice. They are literally sweets. That is just bonkers to me. That is bonkers. An adult supplement that look like little bears, smell gorgeous and taste like full-on proper sweets. I just can't get my head around that. I really can't get my head around that. I think it's fab though. I think it's fab. It's just being a mum, I suppose. It's the first thing I think about, isn't it? It's like, oh my gosh. My kids obviously are a little bit older, so they probably wouldn't go for it, but and it's just strange. It is just strange. But I do love the fact that we have got things like this in subscription boxes, because yeah, it's good. And I am really into my supplements and vitamins and things like that, because I do tend to have a lot of vitamin deficiencies. So I'm going to look into it a little bit more and see how it would go with all my other supplements and if I need to take something off, because yeah, I prefer taking these because it's like having a nice little treat every day. Well, okay, it's only small, but you get two of them. This is full size and it will cost £22.06. You can take up to a good couple of months before you see any differences, especially when it's to do with your hair, because your hair goes through different cycles. But yeah, within about say 2 to 3 months, that's when you get to really see if any supplements and things are working for you. But yeah, I mean, that's quite cool. I do think it's quite cool that it's in the box. It's just bizarre. Do you think that as well? Or am I just overreacting? I don't know. I want more. I literally want more of them. They just taste so lovely. I can't because it's supplements. I don't want to overdose on biotin. So there's those. Next I've got a product by Dr. Lip, and this is Dr. Lip Tint, and this is a sweet potato pigment, 100% natural, and it's yeah, moisturising colour tint. Let's put some on my hand first. There. Nice pink. No, it's nice. It's nice. No taste. No smell. It does feel a little bit tingly though. Unless it's those gummies, I don't know. It's just added a tiny little pink tint to my lips, which is what it claims to do, isn't it? But no, I like that. Sweet potato though. What is the... I eat loads of sweet potato, but why in a lip product? If you were to buy this, it would cost you £6.99, and this is a full size. No, it doesn't say anything about sweet potato in here, but it says on the back here, it's now tinted with 100% natural edible plant pigments for beautiful, soft, luscious tinted lips. Simply formulated with only 4 fabulous 100% natural ingredients. Flavour and fragrance free. The Dr. Lip tints are so kissable, apply as needed, and so you know we don't test on animals. So we've got a lip tint. Next we've got a moisturiser, and this is by Maru Skin, and this is for combination skin with cucumber, elderflower, mallow and arnica. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. Anything with cucumber just instantly is like, oh, I love the smell. It's super fresh. It's just nice and cooling. That's what I think when I think of cucumber, but we've got 50 mils there. I will give it a little go on my hands, see what it's like. I'm not sure if I've had this before. I've had a few products Maru Skin in subscription boxes before. I can't remember. But it feels nice. It feels nice. Yeah, I can smell the cucumber and elderflower. It's lovely. Yeah, no, so we got a moisturiser here. So what's it say? Use every morning after cleansing and toning. A light, easily absorbed cream to revive and soften. This is full size and it'll cost you £29.50. This light cream feels so refreshing and really replenishes any lost moisture in the skin throughout the day. And whilst it feels calming and soothing, I've been left looking visibly brighter and my complexion is seriously glowing. The information in the booklet there. So we've got a moisturiser. Then we got an eye mask, and this is a heating one, a self-warming eye mask. Warms up in 30 seconds by Pop Mask. Now I've had a few eye masks before, but I've never had one from this brand. I can't remember, is it Interstellar Relaxation or something? I can't remember. That's the ones I normally have in subscription boxes, but no, never tried this one. But no, they're lovely. If you've never tried one yourself, they are really nice. Remove from pouch, the eye mask will begin to warm up when opened. Use immediately. So yeah, you just press it over your eyes and it's supposed to relax you. It's supposed to relax you and help with drifting off to sleep and things like that. They are really nice. I do really like them. This is full size and it'll cost you £4. So it says here, it contains naturally occurring ingredients like activated carbon, salt and iron powder to react together to gently heat the mask for around 20 minutes, helping to soothe dry eyes after a long day in the office, aid sleep and even ease headaches. So we've got an eye mask, got another mask, and this is a sheet mask for your face, and this is by Danielle Creations, and it's a peptides lifting lifting face sheet mask. Includes beneficial essence, only 15 minutes a day, paraben free, pigment free, and this is a Korean sheet mask. Peptides help to stimulate collagen production to lift and tighten skin's appearance and reduce fine lines. This mask uses a unique fabric blend to effectively hug the contours of the face. So this is a full-size product and it'll cost you £1.60. And it just goes on to telling you what I read on the back there. So we've got a sheet mask. And we've got one more item, and that's a tea bag. We got a little tea bag there. This is by Tea Pigs, and this is a cold brew lychee and rose tea. Yeah, 1 tea temple for your water bottle. I've never tried one of these before. This yummy infusion will make drinking water much more enjoyable. 2 litres a day, easy, glug glug. Is this an added extra? Yeah, it's another one. It's a bonus treat and you can buy them in a set. It doesn't give you a price or anything. I like that. I really like the idea of that, and I'm going to have to see what other flavours they do, because that is really good, isn't it? Really handy to get the kids drinking more water as well. So that's the last of the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and then I'll add them all up. So these are all the items inside this month's Roccabox. The Roccabox costs £13.95 a month. The items come to a whopping £80 odd, so well above the actual cost that you pay for it. I think it's a really cool box. It's a bit different. I like the fact that we have got some different items in there. Never before have I ever had a shower cap before. I think that is brilliant. The gummies, they're gorgeous, really nice. Love the fact that we got supplements in boxes. It's just because that's the sort, you know, I take them myself. Baffled by the taste and the design, but we won't go into that again. But yeah, we got some masks there, we've got a tea bag, we've got some moisturizers and a lip tint. I just think it's a nice box. It's not like a wow, but I think it's a really nice box. You've got some really lovely things there. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's good value for money? Or do you think, nah, it's definitely not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye. Hi there, completely forgot to show you the mystery box. Oh, so it costs £10 on the website, plus then you pay £3.95 shipping. So exactly the same as a subscription box, but this is like a one-off box and it's a mystery. So you might get all different things. There's no set sort of items that you'll get. I got this though through Wowcher. If I can still find that deal, I'll pop it down in description, but it entitled me to have this box for, I think it was £8 or £8.50, so I had a good couple of pound off it. I think it's £5 off it, which was quite good, so I had to get it. So I'll just show you what I got. So it's exactly the same, so you've got a leaflet there and it tells you all about the subscription and how it works and everything, and then these are all my items that I got, which is quite cool. So I've got a Philip Kingsley bodybuilding shampoo, and I got 60 mils. I've got a Sustain Eye Relief eye drops, full size. I got a full size pomegranate sleeping mask by Dr. Botanicals. I got a one-use Yeti and the Fox supplement kit. It's not a kit, it's supplements. Basically you take them before you drink alcohol and then you take them after you finish drinking alcohol, and they're to stop you having a hangover. And I was kindly gifted a few of these a little while ago and I sent a load out to some of you that wanted to try them, and yeah, I found it didn't work with red wine. Maybe that is a sign I drank too much, but with Prosecco they definitely did work for me, so I think they're really cool. Never knew anything like this existed before, but yeah, so there's that. Then we got a teeny tiny Cetaphil Daily Defense Moisturiser, and for sensitive skin, it's got SPF 50 and 5 grams, so it's only a little teeny tiny one. Then got a little eyeshadow. This is by Luna and it's in shade Celestial. Is it Celeste? No, Celeste. So it's a brown shade there. Really pretty. And then lastly, a Steve Laurent lip gloss, and this is in shade Cafe. That is really nice actually, a really nice colour. What's it like on my hand? I haven't tried it yet. Yeah, no, that is gorgeous. I really like that. So a nice nudie, pinky toned lip gloss there. So yeah, so those are all the products that are inside my mystery gift box. So I think for the price, I think it's good value. Yes, some are the items I've had before and everything, but I just wanted to see what it was like. And then obviously to tell you about it in my video. So yeah, so if I can find that Wowcher deal, I will pop it down below. But I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.